Knitting machine maintenance and needles repair, essential usage. Tips when it comes to knitting machine maintenance and needle repair, a little care goes a long way. For those using Brother Sweater knitting machines, here are some essential tips to keep your knitting experience smooth and hassle-free. 1. Regular cleaning is crucial. Remove any lint or dust that accumulates on the machine to prevent it from interfering with the knitting process. 2. Lubricate moving parts with a silicone-based oil to ensure smooth operation and reduce friction. 3. Pay special attention to the needles. Bent or broken ones can lead to knitting defects. Replace damaged needles promptly to prevent further issues. To repair broken needles, first remove the faulty one by sliding a latch tool downwards and pulling it out. Then insert and align a new needle, making sure it faces the same direction as the others. 5. Always check the tension of your knitting machine. Adjust it as needed to achieve the desired stitch quality and prevent loose or tight knitting. 6. Ensure the knitting carriage moves smoothly by applying a small amount of oil to the carriage rail. 7. Learn about the different settings and functions of your machine to maximize its potential and customize your knitting projects. 8. Keep spare parts such as needles and sponge bars on hand for quick replacements. 9. Avoid overloading the machine, as it can strain the needles and cause knitting errors. 10. Store your knitting machine in a clean and dry place to avoid rust or damage. By following these essential usage tips, you'll extend the life of your Brother Sweater knitting machine, maintain optimal performance, and enjoy the art of knitting without interruptions.